What Elon Musk's Neuralink is trying to do is what a number of other companies have been attempting for quite a while now.
Like always, Elon Musk gets the ball rolling before any other rival company in the tech medical world. A recent tweet has heated social media, news channels, and rivals with a worthy debate concerning the ethical implications when it comes to experimenting with a human being. And when the human being is the first to go through the test, things sound more dangerous. Elon Musk just tweeted on X, saying that the first human patient finally got a neuro-brain transplant via his Neuralink technology, and he is doing well so far. Remember, Elon Musk elaborated the vital purpose of Neuralink during his presentation on 16 July 2020 at the California Academy of Science. He introduced Neuralink in words, "Ultimately, we can do a full brain-machine interface. Those are going to sound pretty weird, but achieve a sort of symbiosis with artificial intelligence. But I think with a high-bandwidth brain-machine interface, I think we can go around for the ride, and we can effectively have the option of emerging with the AI. We are already evident that Musk hit the pot to suck out everything humankind has using AI, where Musk expands the world of automobile and science. He seems fascinated to bring the incredible wonders of artificial intelligence to the health sector. With Neuralink, he aims to diagnose those brain and spinal cord diseases that were once untreatable. Now, if we look at the recent announcement Musk made on X, it is like the first human received an implant from Neuralink yesterday and is recovering well. Initial results show promising neuron spike detection. Many have waited for this news to come since the announcement of the Neuralink plan. Now, what makes this news important is the working of Neuralink. Let's see, how does it work? The technology includes tiny neuron threads that are implanted into the patient's brain to collect the data from his mind. The technology works as a bridge between a real human brain and the computer. What it does is the neurons collect data and show it on the outside screen. But what does it show? Yes, that's where it sounds futuristically unreal. Hear what the BBC newscaster has to say. That is essential to create a brain-computer interface that will allow a human being to carry out an action through thought alone. Now, it involves implanting a number of microchips into the brain that connect to a part of the brain that is responsible for movement intention. It has the effect that wirelessly, it can send a signal to an app that can interpret a person's intentions. But what is worth considering here is that Elon Musk has faced a lot intending to bring Neuralink technology from the future realm to reality. Initially, the company did back-to-back tests on animals that grabbed the attention of animal welfare activists who disliked the idea from an ethical perspective. In 2018, almost 1,500 animals died during the trials for Neuralink. In 2022, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration refused Neuralink's approval to experiment on human beings. The company said there were some concerns and issues to be addressed before we bring the technology into the market for human treatment use. In 2022, the company shared a video of a monkey playing a video game under the influence of a Neuralink chip. The video shows how efficiently the animal gets command over the tactics and rules of the game. He can be seen typing, playing games, and more on a computer. That was the initiative of success for the company. After all, it's Elon Musk's company. However, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration finally gave them approval to try the technology on a human patient. The news Neuralink disclosed in a tweet in May 2023. We are excited to share that we have received the FDA's approval to launch our first in-human clinical study. This is the result of incredible work by the Neuralink team in close collaboration with the FDA and represents an important first step that will one day allow our technology to help many people. Recruitment is not yet open for our clinical trial. We'll announce more information on this soon. And now, the thing has finally gone practical. What is your take on this matter? Do you think Neuralink is a safe game to use on the most sensitive part of the human body, the brain? If yes, how can the technology help to diagnose brain disorders? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.